This is Brent with Hydrographics.com. We're back with Pattern of the Week review. Alright. We call this bonefish. Pretty much skeletons of fish. It is 50 centimeters wide. It is a black and transparent print. We have 90-degree water, and we're going to soak for 60 seconds on this. We're going to dip it to white. There's bonefish on a white base. Any questions, comments, leave them below. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.